Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to apply for Albania eVisa. So it's a very simple process. All you have to do is click on the link provided to you in the description box below. Then you will be redirected to the Albania's eVisa page. So just simply come over here and do a quick free registration. Then after the registration process, just simply do a quick sign in. Now after that, scroll down. You'll have three options over here. So the option that you are looking for is called apply. Click on that option. Now scroll down and you will find multiple options. So just simply choose a visa type C, short type visa. Click on that. Now over here choose visa for tourism. So these are all the requirements that you will be needed to actually apply for the requirement. So you can just simply pause the video and read it, or just simply go to the browser and look at it for yourself. Now after that, click on apply. So wait for a few seconds. Now after that, a form should appear in front of you. So it's gonna be a long form. As you can see right over here, there are a total of 7 pages that you have to fill. So you have to fill all of them one by one. So let's do that. So after filling up the first page, click on next. Now over here again, fill up all the details regarding your passport type, passport number, date of issue, date of expiration, then validity and person number, and do this process till the address contact over here. And after that, in the upload document section, you will have to upload all the documents that was mentioned in the list where I showed you the requirement things will be needed. So after the upload documentation, you will have to pay the fee. After that, you will be added into the queue of eVisa of Albania. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like and subscribe to our channel and take care.